Life with me, Gina Marie, Russian Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. My family tradition, my grandfather Kranek was Russian. This was going on at our nation's capital. Meanwhile, making some spaghetti aioli. I got some garlic going in the pan with some olive oil, pepper, a little bit of red cherry tomatoes. Oh, I have some garlic and it's getting all nice and toasty there. And I'm going to get my pasta here in a minute and put that right in there with it and create a spaghetti aioli, Gina version. Also, I am going to add to this, let me see. There it is, the spinach. I'm going to add some spinach to it too. So let's see what this comes out. Spaghetti. Right in the pan. Some of the juice from the water. Easy. There we go. We got it all in there with a little bit of the juice from the water, pasta water, tomatoes, a little salt, pepper, a little hot red pepper. That's my version of spaghetti aioli. Put some cheese on this. Like that. And I might even add a little bit of the spinach at the end, just to rub it in. That's beautiful. Now, just mix that up. Well, here's your mushrooms, Mom. I put them with a filet, medium rare, and sauteed them with some butter. Sorry, I never liked the mushroom soup. It was a beautiful 2 days of Russian Christmas at home during COVID 2021 with my husband, Michael. I strive to be happy, so I threw some buffalo wings Christmas Day in the oven. I made a broccoli cheese casserole for my darling husband, and I made one of my favorite meatloafs. Made sure we had enough food around for the weekend. The meatloaf was delicious. My recipe is in my playlist on Facebook and YouTube. I threw some sweet potato fries into the air fryer with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and they were delicious. We really liked them. Of course, I always throw a salad together. Tomatoes and radishes and lettuce and cucumbers and cheese and little croutons and red onion. There's my buffalo wings with my famous sauce. You can get that on my playlist too. And there we are. Wow, yum. Our steak smothered in mushrooms. And we're going to have our spaghetti aioli, Gina style. And it's got spinach and tomatoes and garlic and hot pepper seeds, and it's delicious. And the mushrooms are just sauteed with red wine. And we have a little filet butterfly that we split because we don't eat that much meat. Appetit. Strive to be happy. Well, Merry Russian Christmas from Gina and Michael. Have a great New Year, too. We wish you well. Happy New Year, 2001. Hey, how did Scott Baio get in my photos? I don't know. Life with me, GinaMarie.com for my signature caps. Thank you for your support. God bless our nation and strive to be happy.